was assessed and his personal information, including his religious practices and his dietary habits, were conveyed. So they can't say they didn't know that he is a Rastafarian. They can't make up no excuses, because all his personal information was given to them. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. This one says, Rasta shave at hospital. The loved ones of William Montgomery Holmes, an elder of the Nyabingi order, are chanting fire after the 78-year-old beard was shaved while he was admitted at Linstead Hospital late last month. The Rastafarian, who has been growing his beard for 57 years, is said to be traumatized over the incident. His daughter, Isha Holmes, said that she nearly cried when she saw him. I have never seen my father without his beard, and neither has my mother. His beard is a part of his identity. I have known him to be a firm Rastafarian all my life. He lives and breathes Rastafarianism, she said. Isha stated that her father was being treated for high blood pressure and pneumonia complications that he developed from a stroke in March. And if he was being treated for high blood pressure and pneumonia, there's no reason for them to shave his beard. None whatsoever. And definitely not shave his beard without his consent. But Jamaica healthcare system is so up. Oh my god. He was taken to the hospital on April 23rd, where he was placed in observation before being admitted on the 26th, a Sunday. Holmes was all of it, and he stated that he is a Rastafarian. While he was on the observation ward, we were there with him 24/7. We, the family, had 6-hour shifts so that we could just be with him and make sure that things were okay. However, when he was admitted, we didn't get a chance to visit him that much because we were told that visiting hours were suspended because of COVID-19 and the curfew that was imposed upon St. Catherine, she said. Aisha said they only saw him for a few minutes the day before he was admitted, and it was only after they called the following day that they were told the hospital visits were decreased but not suspended. When we went on Wednesday, April 29th, that was when we realized his beard was cut and no one could tell us how it happened. The beard that was cut was found lingering at the side of the bed and also in a bag containing his belongings. No one could give us an account of how his beard was cut and who authorized it, she said. The family has since hired attorney Bert Samuels, who is in a letter to the hospital stated that the shaving of his beard is a serious and irreparable breach of his constitutional rights to practice his religious belief. In its response to Samuels, the hospital confirmed that Holmes was a patient and his beard was shaved. The administration also said that the matter is being investigated. So they hired a lawyer quick fast, and I love how Jamaican people are being proactive when their constitutional rights are being violated. I've been longing to see this, longing for them to hold people accountable. I think they need to hold people more accountable on a higher level, because a lot of people that needs to be held accountable are not being held accountable, quite frankly, and it's quite annoying. But that's neither here nor there. Comment what your thoughts are on this. Do you think that they will win in court? Do you think that whoever cut this man beard, or who authorized for it to be cut, should be fired or disciplined? Because I find that a lot of Jamaican people in the healthcare facility find that because they're in the healthcare system or being a healthcare professional, that they should get away and do anything that they want to do to people and have no accountability, when that is not the case. people like them should be held accountable for their actions. I think this man's constitutional rights was violated, and I hope they take their asses to court, quite frankly. Sue them for every dime, emotional distress, all of that. Okay, what are your thoughts on this case? Do you think that they should have cut his beard because it's probably a hygiene thing and that's why they cut it? What are your thoughts on them not having authorization to cut it but still cut it anyway? What are your thoughts on his religious beliefs and practices being, what's the word, I have a baby brain, disobeyed? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.